Hey, Dr. Corinne Weaver here, author of Learning How to Breathe and No More Meds, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sugar scrub that has no chemicals, so chemical free. So we're going to use essential oils, and the reason why I use essential oils is a way to not only detoxify your body and cleanse your skin, but also smells very refreshing. Step one is go to your local Costco. How much do I love Costco? Where you can get the best ingredients, especially organic ingredients, for reasonably priced. So I got here, of course it's Kirkland's signature. We got organic sugar, and I have organic coconut oil, and these are really the only two ingredients you need. But, where my essentials go? So I'm gonna use, this is Young Living, and it's called Citrus Fresh, and it has lemon and, let's see, what is the main ingredients? We got orange and grapefruit and lemon and all kinds of good stuff. I think it has a little bit of spearmint in it too, so it's, oh, it smells so good. I know you can't smell it through the video, but it smells fantastic. So what you'll need is the sugar. And so this is a 1/4 cup, and we're gonna use, it's gonna be 1 1/4 cups. So we're just gonna throw this, and we wanna put it in a mixing bowl because we are going to whip this together. Just like that. So that's 1 1/4 cups. And then we're gonna take some coconut oil, and we're gonna take 3, so this is 1/4, so we're gonna do 3/4 of the coconut oil. So look just like that. So we got the sugar, and we got the coconut oil. And then for this type, I usually like to use about 15 drops. So 15 drops of this. All right, there we go. So there you can see it right there. That's step number 1. And we're just gonna whip that together. And you wanna whip it really good. That's the whole key. Now a lot of people make sugar scrubs. You wanna whip this one really good. All right, so we just whipped it, and so it's gonna be kind of this consistency, just like this. And then what we want to do, now I am making this for my sister. She is having a baby shower, so these are great gifts to give away. So I got these little cute little glass containers. And so what we're gonna do is actually just put this in the container. So I'm gonna put that on there and then give it a good shake in there. And then you're good to go. Now what I love to do with these is I'm going to take, let me show you. How cute is this? Adorable, right? So we're gonna take some string, and then we're just gonna wrap that around and stick that on, and I'll show you the product in just a second. So I'm taking the sugar scrub. This is really good for your hands. And you just take it on there and get it really good. And then it makes your hands not only silky smooth. Look at that. See, look at that note, especially in the winter. It's really good for dryness, you know, but it feels so soft and smells delicious.